my channel. Today we will make 3D hologram projector. It's gonna be amazing. Have you seen it? For let's start the experiment. We need some cardboard, scissors, scale, marker, plastic bag, fevicol, lead, protractor, black paper. This experiment would be performed under parents' guidance. I will take bottom part, some fevicol, stick the sides. Transparent sheet. On the side, stick this. Other side. It's dry. Now let's make the upper part. Now stick them. Now stick all the four sides. Let it dry. Upper part is ready. Complete the upper part. Ready.
Type 3D hologram video in your mobile. Increase the brightness level completely. Place your mobile phone on the upper part. Turn off the lights to watch 3D.
Wow! Wow! For more videos, like, share,